After all, what does it mean to love? More than a mere feeling, the true essence of love lies in continuous action and a connection that transcends selfishness. Loving involves a genuine desire to know and meet the needs of another, whether it's a pet dependent on our care or a complex person with their aspirations and challenges. Contrary to what many think, love is not innate, it is cultivated. It is an active commitment to the well-being of the other, adapted to their particular nature. If for an animal, this commitment might be simpler, shelter, food, and affection, for humans, it becomes multifaceted. It requires a constant effort to know the tastes, personality, and character of those we love. Regarding a stranger, we should treat them as we would like to be treated. But this journey of understanding is not one-sided. To truly love, deep self-knowledge is also fundamental. This comprehensiveness of love extends to spiritual spheres. Jesus' teaching, known as the Great Commandment, or Commandment of Love, exemplifies this duality. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your mind, and love your neighbor as yourself. Matthew 22:37-39. Consequently, loving one's neighbor is a manifestation of this understanding and commitment. It means promoting social justice, practicing charity, and extending forgiveness. It is in action and empathy that love materializes, building bridges and transforming realities. In summary, love is a path of discovery and dedication. It is the art of caring, understanding, and giving oneself, always adapting and growing, both in relation to others and to oneself. It is this complexity that makes love one of the richest and most transformative experiences of existence. So how do we love God? In this context, it implies obedience and gratitude, but also a deeper understanding of His nature. Many people summarize God with attributes like omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient, or even imagine God sitting on a throne judging who goes to heaven or hell. Others have an idea of a magical God who snaps his fingers and everything is accomplished. We can also mention those who say God is an energy. However, there is a complete lack of knowledge about God. Thus, without questioning His personality or His feelings, one loses the opportunity for a more complete and intimate love based on knowledge and not just concepts. You perceive that it is of extreme importance to have an understanding of God. He created the universe and created us. Therefore, it is evident that He had a need to do this. That is, He desired and idealized it. Have you ever questioned why God created us?
I invite you to study the complete testament, that is, the divine principle. I am absolutely certain that after listening to the entire divine principle, you will not only be a master in theology, but will also have such a profound understanding of God that it will be impossible not to love Him. In the next video, I will answer why God created the universe and human beings according to the divine principle. Did you like the video? Then subscribe, comment, or ask questions, and I would greatly appreciate it if you leave a like.